In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Lovable AI site into a WordPress theme. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to lovable.dev, and from in there, as you can see, just proceed to click on this Get Started option. With this, you have the option to create an account by continuing with your Google or your GitHub. You can also use email. If you already have an account, proceed to click onto this login option and continue to log in using those parts as well. So let me proceed to actually log in. So here is my Lovable. In order to connect your Lovable site into WordPress, it involves transforming the static design and functionality into dynamic WordPress templates. So what we can do is you can just understand the WordPress theme structure, open right here your actual Lovable, and from in there, you just need to familiarize yourself with essential files such as style CSS and the likes. So for this, let's you can also ask Lovable to convert this site into WordPress template. So for example, let's send that right here. Convert this site into WordPress template. So it will take care of the coding that will actually help this right here. So in there, you just need to actually head over and then wait for this to be actually integrated into your site. Now, do take note that you need to also integrate the CSS and also the JavaScript. So copy your Lovable site CSS files into your theme folder. This will enqueue your style sheets and JavaScript files using the enqueue styles. You need to also use AI tools for assistance like generating conversion rules, converting HTML to PHP templates, as well as structuring your React folders. So it needs to actually be reactive, responsive, with good SEO and security. So you just wait for Lovable to actually convert it for you and you should be able to use it. So that's how you convert a Lovable AI site into a WordPress theme. Hope we helped.